Yeah.
Let me know if you can see my screen.
Yeah. This is I'm able to see.
Yeah.
Uh,
So in dead leg modification, what we are proposing to modify some part of pipe which is in drain lines to change the wall location from this to close to the header in type 1, and in type 2 we are not changing any location of wall, only
okay.
material from bottom of the header to up to the first isolation wall will be changed to CRA. So this much portion of the pipe and flanges will be changed to CRA. And here
Okay.
the existing wall and spectacle will be reused. Only the pipe material and flanges will be new, which is equivalent to the existing pipe class. New pipe class
Okay.
will be equivalent to existing pipe class.
Okay.
So
And
as such, if you can see here, there is no big construction activity will require. Only handling of these walls is the major thing.
okay. So Santosh, what is the length? What is the maximum length? And what is the maximum weight?
Maximum weight,
Approximately.
maximum
Approximately.
weight will be of 2 inch. This ball wall.
Oh, 2 inch size. Okay. 2 inch
Yes,
size. And what is the maximum length of pipeline?
maximum. I don't think in some cases it is running around 20 meter, but there will be only pipe modification, not the all lengthwise. We have some additional weight. Only pipe weight we
Okay.
have to consider for 20 meter.
Okay.
So it will be
Uh,
splitted in 6 meter spans maybe for handling.
okay. Okay. So this is related to the drilling. Okay. Regarding the instrumentation scope of work, any work at height, any underground
Uh,
services,
l-
any
l-
excavation.
Let me share my screen for buffer tank where we are doing instrumentation changes. If you see here, this is a tank where we are changing the existing analyzer
What
to
is the
new
elevation?
analyzer.
What is the elevation of this one?
Elevation, I think, Sudeep, can you just explain what is the elevation? Because I don't see that is too much height. It will be around, let me check here, nozzle elevation
Is a 5.5, 5.75, right?
5.75, and
Okay.
this will
All are at
be,
same elevation.
yeah.
All are at same elevation.
Okay. And do you have the existing platform there, or you are going to propose
No,
some scaffolding?
No,
no platform is there, sir.
So that
no
means
platform.
scaffolding is required, right, during construction activity.
Small, yeah, small
Small, yeah.
scaffold.
Okay, very good. So
Yeah,
work at height
actually,
is
sir,
anticipated.
yeah, sir, actually, it was there earlier, already installed there. So some issues has happened